start with Wayne.
I want to go ahead.
He's got a 1968 Plymouth GTX, fire engine rig. Jimmy, it's your turn. Wake up.
Come on,
So
Jim.
tell him what you got. Tell him what you. I don't know what you got.
That 68 GTX was the ugliest car you've ever seen in your life. And you take that and
Talk
make sure
about
it gets
your
on.
car. You're confused.
I got a 66.
You do?
Don't let me say it.
That's not a 66.
Yeah.
All right.
Got a pedal car. Your turn, Sam.
You're up, Sammy.
70 Roadrunner.
So you're going on. Okay, how about you?
Dave, I've got a 73 Dodge Charger, a 69 Sport Fury convertible, and a 1978 Dodge Magnum.
Cool. All right. How about you?
85, we got a 55 Chevrolet Bel Air.
All right then. Let's go check out the car, shall we, guys?
Two of mine are gone, so that's Wayne's right there.
Yep.
Right in front of me.
Okay, guys. Here's the Impala SS. Here's the Impala SS. A nice car. We got a nice. Here's Wayne's 1968 Hummer GTX. Over here we got a nice blue Corvette right here. Really nice. Right here we got a looks to be like that 68 Roadrunner. I think it's a 67 Roadrunner. And right here we got a 66 like a 66 SS. So that's what we're doing today. Have a good time at the Sonic Drive-In in Atlantic, Virginia. So talk to you soon, guys. Have a good day.